everybody, welcome back. Big Tasty, thanks for watching the video as always. You know how we do. And today, I've been to go to the TGI range in Iceland and got myself the new chorizo mac and cheese. Yeah, this is some lovely stuff. It was 3 for £10, or I think it was 3.75 for one. I only got one today. So yeah, not much to say. It's one chilli on heat. This is what it's looking like inside. So, smaller pieces of macaroni. So, you know, looks very decent. Cheese, chorizo, some sort of sauce, and nacho cheese, actually, I should say, sorry. Yeah, so how long does it take? It's going to take, I'm going to put it in the microwave. And it's going to take 6 minutes on full power. And then, obviously, stir, and then another 2 minutes. Put in the microwave, cut to me when this is done. So, yeah. Not much to say. It's one chilli on heat. This is what it's looking like inside. So, smaller pieces of macaroni. A lot of people say, what do you do when you're waiting for your food in the videos? This is what I do. Play a bit of darts. Get a bit of practice in. This is the finished result. Let me show you something here. Look at the cheese pull on that. Woo! And just like that, we are back. Done. Boom. Look at that. That is cheesy. That's what I'm talking about. Really cheesy. Little pieces of chorizo in there. A bit of a cheese sauce, but there's a little bit of oil in there, but it's expected with chorizo. Chorizo can be fairly oily, you know. So yeah, let's just get a crack. Piping hot. Mmm. Oh yeah, that so nice. Chorizo coming through, cheese coming through. Mmm. That is amazing. £3.75 for that. 3 for £10. There was a few more different things on there. Just fancied this today. Must be said, I will have to say that is decent. I've just tried the What's It's mac and cheese. Yeah, I've just tried the What's It's mac and cheese. If you haven't seen that video, check out my channel. It's my latest video on there. That was same price, £3.25 or £3.75, something like that. This is up there with it. Easily as good, if not better, because I like a bit of spice. So, yeah. The game, these sort of branded deals and all these sort of branded macaroni cheeses and stuff like that, they are expensive. They're over £3 now. Macaroni cheeses and stuff like that, they are expensive. They're over £3 now. It's definitely up there. I'll definitely try some more from the TGI range. I was going to try some more today, but I didn't want to overdo it. So yeah, I'll upload this. Let me know what you think, see if you think it's any good, and then yeah, well, look at that cheesiness. Whoop, whoop. I'll see you again.